Hey eFootball champs, welcome back. Want to know how to change your region in eFootball 2025? Whether you've moved or just want better matchmaking, I've got the latest steps from the version 4.3.0 update to make it happen. Let's kick it off. So your region in eFootball affects your currency, events and server ping, crucial for smooth games. And since February 2025, in this update, Konami added a way to tweak your country and region of residence in-game. So no more account resets, huge win. Here's how to do it. So firstly guys, ensure you've updated to the version I've mentioned, not the latest one. Check your App Store or console, open eFootball, head to the main menu and tap the gear icon for settings. Look for country/region of residence, it pops up after the update. Select it and you will see a list of countries. Pick your real location like Germany or Brazil, Konami wants accuracy here. After that guys, just hit confirm and you're set, but heads up, you can only change this once. It locks after that, so choose wisely. Your coin prices stay tied to your store region, but exclusive events and matchmaking shift to your new pick. Restart the game if it doesn't update right away, done in seconds. And that's it guys, how to change your region in eFootball. Now you're ready to dominate in your new zone. Love this, smash that like, subscribe, and drop a comment of course if it worked for you. See you in the next one, game on.